Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you this lovely sunny day? For those of you who are new here, my name is Eleftheria and I'm a front-end developer. I'm currently doing the challenge Daily UI and I've managed to be on day 94 and we are going to combine some projects together. We are going to combine projects from day 94 until day 99. So after that I'm only going to have one day. So before we get starting with the coding, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you'd like, maybe to like this video or share it. If you have any question, just leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer it. And of course in the description box you will find all the links that I'm going to be using. Another thing is that today we are going to create something very simple. I didn't have a lot of imagination of what I wanted to do. That's why the final product is going to be something simple. And another thing is that the daily UI challenge usually prompts you in your email not only a theme but also a designer hint. Now the last days, as I've mentioned in another video, daily UI has stopped giving you hints, so it's quite weird to just see something like the word category and know what to build, even if this project or this challenge is more focused on designers and I'm more approaching it as a developer. I don't think that a designer would also know what to do in a category or in something very simple. Like advertisement, for example, is something very broad. It can be anything. I think that the daily UI challenge should step up just a little bit their game and, like, you know, give you a hint or something about what you should be doing, because this is way too broad. Anyway, as you can see, I've already written quite a few things on my code pen, and the first thing on the HTML that you will see is here, the today's theme. You have news, product tour, currently in stock, giveaway, advertisement and categories. Then in the working area I have two layout drawers. The first one says currently in stock, it's going to be our header, and then the next one here I have an image. Let's fill this very quickly. Again, you will be able to find the image in the description box. After that I have another layout row, but this time I have 3 buttons. Usually this class is named like submit button. I know that we are almost done with this challenge, but I decided to just change it for now. So this is going to be my button, but everything is the same. So here you have like body, theme, working area, header 2, and then this is my button. Again, this used to be the submit button. Now if we go to the JavaScript part, I have the Angular module my app and the controller app controller with scope and empty dialog. We are going to fill the controller in just a bit, but first let's start working with the buttons. For the buttons we are going to do 2 different things, and that's why I've already opened here 2 of my previous projects. One of them is day 16 that we've already saw a lot of times, but it's something simple that, you know, like works well. So for day for this button I'm going to copy this and click, which is this one. Here it says yet another form, and this is combined with this script right here, okay, with the dialog template, and this is also combined with this part right here. So first let me add the ng-click here, but then I'm also going here in the controller and I'm going to copy all of these things, paste it here, and of course I'm also going to need the template where like this script here, of course, like we can adjust it to our like the giveaway, maybe you can adjust it there. So we have that. Let's see what we have. It says giveaway, yet another form. Okay, very quickly I'm going to change this. Okay, we are back. I added a few things and now it says take part in the giveaway, fill your info and you're good to go, as simple as that. And you have your email, which is mandatory, and the email, and then of course I accept the terms of service and I am in the giveaway. Alrighty, now let's do something similar for the news. I'm going to minimize that one and let's go back to the buttons. This time I will do something that we did on day 62 to 66, and then we had the select user type. So I'm going to do something similar for that day. It has like choose your category, because we were talking about categories, and there we used to have like newbie, senior and super advanced. So let's see how we had created that. I will go to the JavaScript part, and we had like show prompt, show advanced, and then we had the show options. So I am going to copy like all these things, or maybe I can copy this part and go back to the JavaScript and of course paste it right here. Okay, so what else do we have? Of course, here I had like show options, which is this part. Let's just copy it. I will add this on the second button, which is going to be the news. Okay, and of course we are not yet done. We have to add, okay, we have to add another script. I will add this script very quickly. I'm going to make a few changes and I will be back. We are back. I added the news, so it's choose your category, please select you have product 1, 2 and 3, and these products are coming from here. So I've also changed that part a little bit, and now you have like the dialog controller with ID and name, product 1, 2 and 3, and if you click on it again you can see it, product 2, and that's it. So for the last button, I will not add an ng click, but I will add an href with a target blank. Okay, let's close that one. Cool. And as for the href, I'm simply going to add my YouTube channel because this is an advertisement for me, but of course for you it can be something completely different. Alright, so that was our project. We did the categories, we did the advertisement, we did the giveaway, and we did the news. Then you have the current in stock, and this is our product tour. I mean, you can see everything about this product, and yeah, that's it. I know that this was a super quick video. We didn't get a lot of new information, but I would really like to encourage you to watch the video that is coming tomorrow, because it's going to be my last day on daily UI, and I have in my mind something really great. I can guarantee you that you will love it, so really stay tuned. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to go along the day, and see you really soon. Have an amazing day. Bye.